best draw to date is now live. This HK GTS Monaro could end up in your driveway. Under the hood, we've got a dart block 350 small block Chev pumping out over 550 horsepower. Backed by a turbo 400 transmission and a 3.5 stalling. Now the car is rolling on some RC comp wheels and has a 35 spline full floater rear end. It has Willwood brakes all round and the Gazzard Brothers fully adjustable coilover shocks. Now that sweet sound comes from a 3.5 inch fully stainless exhaust. Now this car is topped off beautifully with a re-chromed and re-trimmed interior. Valued at over $250,000, this draw is capped at 4,000 entrants and you need to be quick. It only runs for 12 days. Now you can get yourself into the draw for as little as $19.95. And hopefully, I'm calling you with some fantastic news. Good luck.